Good evening, everybody. It is 4:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, September 14th, 2025, Sunday. This is just a short, quick review video of the 7.4 magnitude earthquake we had in Kamchatsky, Russia, just 2 days ago. Saturday, September 13th at 2:37:54 UTC with 84 user reports at a depth of 24 miles. This was caused by Asteroid 2025 RR1. I have it selected now. So we have 2025 RZ1 that's also been affecting Russia with Asteroid 2025 RR1. So Asteroid 2025 RR1 is what caused that 7.4 just 2 days ago. So smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions in the comment box section. Tap the notification bell and switch it to all. If you'd like to help contribute to the channel, the donation links will be in the description box. I will see you guys on the next update. So that's Asteroid 2025 RR1 that caused at 7.4 in Russia. And we also had Asteroid 2025 RZ1 affecting Russia on the 13th as well. Yep, causing 5.0s in Russia on the 13th. And 4s, I believe. Yeah, lots of 4s, lots of high magnitude 4s from Russia 2 days ago, the 13th. Those were caused by Asteroid 2025 RZ1. And 2025 RR1 is what caused that 7.4. I will see you guys on the next update. Eagle out.